What happened?
Santa came. Hey, Daddy. This looks like a lot of presents. How come Santa give these many presents?
I don't know. Santa does cool things.
I know. Why like that back? I can't find Simon's name. It just says to.
Hey, what happened over here?
A stocking.
Hey,
Oh.
Santa came in.
You think so? He must have.
I didn't even notice that. Did you move that, Daddy?
I was sleeping too, just like
You know
you.
what, Sabine? I didn't notice that either when I got